class. My name is Mimi. Mixer, sister, butter, ginger, always. My sister does not always want the mixer to cook. My sister does not always want butter to cook. My sister does not always want the ginger to cook. Fern, earth, put, off, offer, corner, silver, sticker, slipper, tweezers. Goodbye, teacher.